Let's register the Flytrex live, link new device, device ID. Getting old over here. FL3 L14 O X 2 FDN. Account settings, live, settings, live, manage, okay, so that's saved. Let me just double check that number. All right, so that's linked. Okay. Oh, first thing I need to do is take off my old, not old, but I have a tracker mo on here. So I'm just going to remove that. Okay. So that's removed. Alright, and I have, what is this? This here. Oh, tell me this is broken. Look at this. Shipped broken. Ay, ay, ay. Yep. Ship broken. Broken holder. Okay. That's one thing we have to deal with already. There's a broken holder. No. Jesus, everything's falling apart on this thing. Oh, there goes the holder. This is what my holder looks like out of the bag. Not a good sign. That's pretty bad. Let me take a picture of that. I'll send that off to them. Ay, ay, ay. That's alright, I'll just put a rubber band around that. Alright, so the first thing they want me to do, upside down, disconnect the 6-pin cable. Oh, you know what? Let me drop my SIM chip in here. Let's see how this goes in here. guess it goes this way. Okay. Alright. So that's in. Alright, so the first thing they're asking me to do here is separate, or actually disconnect this wire here. Yikes. It's tight. Wow. Okay, so that's out. I guess they want me to bring this through the gimbal. Oof. Definitely tricky here. There's not much play at all in that. It'll ride easily without placing too much pressure. Gently disconnect the 8-pin cable connected to the top of the gimbal. Where is that pin? It's not in the front. Oh, right here on the side. I see it. This wreck. I want you to disconnect this. Oops. Here it comes. Okay. So that's out. Wow, there is not a lot of room at all. Holy smokes. Okay. Well, they're out. Place 3M on Flytrex adapter. Okay. So here's the first thing. Oh, this has to go upside down. They want this to connect here. Where's my tweezers? Oh, where could that be? Yeah, but this is all spun around. Okay. So I want this to go in here. Wow, that's tight. Good Lord. And then I want this to go in here. There's not enough room to really mount this here. I just don't like how the gimbal is really not free. Hey, look at that picture. I don't have all that play. Why don't I have all that play? Okay, I have a little bit more play there. I can mount this here. It just seems so damn tight. I just don't want it touching the gimbal top. Alright, well. I want some tape or sticky. Go there. And here. Okay, that's off. That's off. Now this thing has to get stuck right there. All right. So that's there. That's stuck there. Got it, got it, got it. Position score Flytrex adapter, got it. Connect 8-pin cable to gimbal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, that's a 6. Alright. So this is going to go into here. And now we got to get this into here where this wire is definitely right in the damn way. Smokes. Let's see. God, this ain't gonna work. Oof. Wow. Let's see if we can bend this. Is that in? Holy shit. Well, that one in. That's in. Okay. And now we need the 6-pin I wish they showed you which way the wire went. Clicks perfect the dot on the seam. So the original only one way, two sides. To make sure you connect the correct side of the cable. Right. Only one of the two sides of the cable will fit. So make sure you connect the correct side of the cable. Oh, it's alright. So this is going to go into here. Okay, so that's in. So this has to go there. I just wish I knew if this went. Oh, this one's going to go that way. Alright, so let's try to snake this through. There it is. You know what? I think it's... might be easier. Let me tell you, a lot of people are going to have problems doing this, that's for sure, unless they take everything apart. Yeah, how are you supposed to do this? So I want you to put this in like that. Shit. There it goes. I mean, monkey's uncle. It's in. Oh shit. That's in. Alright. So now I have this broken clip that I'm gonna try to use, so I really don't have a choice. This is gonna go in here. Let me just start this. Okay. Oh God. Things are flying all over the freaking place here. Put this side in first. Okay, so that started. This has to go in here. I really hope I can get this thing to stay in. Oh, wait a second. I gotta connect this. Am I gonna be able to connect it from the top? Oh, we should see. Let me turn this over. Man, looks like something blew up over here. Okay, here's the connector for that. So this wire is gonna go into here. Come on, you sister. Okay, so that's in there. What's broken here? Let me see. Well, this is gonna have to go in this way, but then you can't see the light. Oh no. Oh, I see. So they want this to sit in here. I guess this way. And then this. That is going to go in here this way. Alright, well that's together. This here whole snap thing. I'm gonna have to put some zip ties on this to hold this together. Alright, let's see what we got.